You are the CEO of all that you do, and attached to that is your personal brand. But what is your personal brand, and how do you make it catapult your success? Welcome to Build Smart Connections. So what should I do? Should I start off with subscribe, something like that? Or are you thinking, no? Your personal brand is the impression other people have about you and how they benefit from being around you and working with you. Whether you are in a huge organization or you are in a small business that has less than 20 employees, here are 4 must-haves for building your personal brand within. Number 1, get feedback beyond formal appraisals. This drives me nuts. To get feedback once a year is leaving way too much on the table, so you have to be proactive in going and getting that feedback. Find out from your boss what you're doing well, where you can improve, and what you should be anticipating next. Showing this initiative allows you to stand out because most people don't do it. They wait for their boss to give them feedback. By you going after it, it's a statement of courage, of leadership, and it allows you to contribute to the team's spirit and contribute to your boss's success as well as your own. Number 2, show that you can wear different hats. Simple ways to wear different hats could be helping a colleague who has an imminent deadline, chairing or being part of a committee that goes beyond your department, or speaking on behalf of your organization to best represent your company at a crucial event. These are all different skill sets that allow you to demonstrate to your boss and upper management your versatility, all while helping your stock value. 3, work your internal network. Too many people work in a vacuum within their organization, only their department, only their project. If you really want to build your personal brand, get to know different projects and how different operations within your organization work. Maybe as importantly, get to know the people, the management specifically, because guess what? When you build your reputation and you build those relationships, when people think about opportunities, they may just think of you. And number 4, avoid gossip and negativity. It is so easy to get caught up in the slippery slope of gossip and negativity. Many people like leading the charge. I'm telling you, stay away from it. Rumors and gossip are bad things. This reminds me of an uncle I have. He never went to college and he didn't need to. He had a construction company and he was able to retire at 60 years old. And he did very, very well for himself, but what sticks out most about what he once said to me is he said, Joey, at a person's core, they're either pull for you or pull against you. Hang around with a person who's pull for you. I would ask you, are you a pull for you person? Do you root for other people? Because when you think about building your personal brand within your organization, it's easy to get caught up into that vortex of negativity. Don't. Be a pull for you person, and that puts you in a better position to put your brand and your opportunities at an all new level. And that also allows you to
live it, love it, do it, profit.